So guys, we're another video on Animal Company. We're doing a video with us three and what's your name? Green. Wait, I mean there's green, pointy muskrat, and then
Pointy muskrat 9903.
and then punch one elder and then underscore 4E Wideman.
Someone left.
Where's the tiny guy?
I don't know, but he's gone.
Oh shoot, I think his headset died.
Yeah, I mean, we can do it with us three.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want grapplers? Do you want grapplers? Yes, I'm.
Oh no, got little green guy's back. Little guy's back. He's back. He's back.
A little green bag.
And M-Dog 1730 is here too.
No.
I'm putting your guys' names so they can cheer on for you guys in the comments.
Hey, wait, can you buy me a grappler? Can you buy me a grappler?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get broke after this. Okay,
I'm sorry, man. Wait, can I have one?
Oh,
you don't have to buy lots of grapplers. But I lost my ability.
If you guys can sell something that's worth a lot, then I'll actually help you a lot because
yeah, I can sell something. I have something really rare.
Also, you guys need great swords.
I'm gonna sell my life possession. I'm gonna sell my life possession. What are we doing for this movie? Or whatever?
Not a movie.
What are we doing then?
We're doing a new update for the Animal Company.
Oh, really these? For sure.
Yeah, everything unlocked in the...
I sold my life possession.
Oh my god. Thank you. I can buy one more grappler. Green, do you need a grappler? Green, do you need a grappler?
Wait, what?
Hey,
I lost
Orange.
my ability to fight.
Do you have the great swords unlocked?
What? I do.
Buy yourself one. Buy yourself one. Buy two.
Swords? Okay.
Good, thank you. I need sword because they're one of the best.
Does anybody have the sides?
The sides? I have the sides.
Okay, good. Get a flashlight.
I already have a flashlight. Here, get a backpack.
Okay,
Here.
good.
Does any of you guys own the big backpack?
Take this backpack. Take this. No, take this. Take this.
This is better. That's better. That has a big backpack. Tiny guy.
Are you guys ready?
M-Dog. Here.
Yeah.
M-Dog. Here. Take this.
I'm gonna start going, guys.
Let's go. Come on, guys. Here's your grapplers. Come on. Green, come on. Let's go.
Wait. Are you trying to beat it? Just in case you take me.
What do you mean beat it? Is there any... I heard I said there's a new boss.
Y'all guys, go.
Oh, really? That's crazy.
What am I saying?
Oh, this is Sunday, guys. I go to school tomorrow on Monday, so I'm gonna try my best. My head's at 100%. Guys, we're going to the clown update.
I know. I just was hitting a revolver. Oh, sorry, did I hit you?
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Ooh.
This way.
We're going there. What is in there? We're going there first.
Over here. Over this pen. We got this. There's only 2 working games.
Oh.
That one and this one. This is the one that I got my ability from.
Yeah, let's go in there. Let's go in the tunnel first.
Let's go in.
Guys,
Come here.
no, I want to try out the...
No, my body.
Let's try out the machines last. Touch
this.
I don't know.
Green, where are you? Where's Green?
Touch this. The reason why my umbrella was because he might. Don't let the cloud catch you, okay?
I had the tapes unlocked.
Guys, use your grappler. Use your grappler and drop to the ceiling.
Because people decided to give me the tapes. I have not looked at them yet. Because some people gave me the tape. They got it from me. They said, do you want me to get the new carnival tape for you? And they said, yeah. I said, yeah. Oh, they got it for me. Because they were willing to give the tapes. Because they had it in their stash. That in case they heard I was on a YouTube video and they said they weren't gonna be able to make it. I'm like,
Over here.
what is this?
It's
I
grappler.
don't know. Let's look up there. Oh, we're supposed to grab these, aren't we? I heard.
YouTuber, go to the top.
I'm doing this little puzzle.
Top turtle.
My name's Blue Sinister.
Turtle? Turtle?
What happened? What happened? What happened?
Yo,
No!
Quincy, go to where you see a gigantic thing in the wall. It's a tiny gap. It's like a gap. What is it?
What is...
Okay. Wait, where are you? Are you guys already there? Are you guys already there? No, I'm
Yeah, we're already there. I'm putting this in square.
yeah, in a second pod. Yeah, in a second pod.
I'm doing
Yeah,
pretty
but
good
you
for
know,
doing that because I'm new at this. I'm a new
I
at the game because I played it many times before. This is my favorite game. I'm gonna start doing more content, guys. I'm gonna start doing more content. Also, part 2 is coming out. Gonna be see if it could come out today.
Daddy!
If not today, then tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then yeah, sure.
You just need to get in the
Keep falling. I
stop.
can't make it.
That's it. Oh, the gravity is about to flip. Okay, gravity is gonna flip.
I just keep doing that.
So good. Can I have the
This way,
grapple? Oh, just need this long. That's it. Yes? Okay. Okay. Total. Total. Oh, there you are. Total. Total. I thought we lost you. I thought we lost you. Total. Just follow those things.
Someone kind of, I heard, yeah, I heard the way. People said it before. So I know the way.
I know.
I know the way to whatever this thing is. It said for the new daycare map. I think that's what they call it.
Yeah.
But all the tapes, it says reality. The edge of reality. See, look, I already have these tapes because someone had it in the stash already. Wait. Go back. Let me go back so I don't die. I don't know. I don't know. My controller's connected. I don't want to die. See, look, I hear something. My bad.
It's fine. Can I have your light?
Sorry, I need it.
Turtle, where are you?
We're already at the little daycare thing. Wanna go back? Let's go back and get them.
Okay. Let's go.
My head is not low. I don't have to go to my
My
brother's
bottom
game.
ability,
Yeah, there's
I would be already.
I was have a game. I was trying to do what my mom said to do. When we get back, but it was already dark.
I had a photo
I was planning to do it on Saturday.
in Animal Crossing
No.
because I made a canopy.
Locked in. You guys, I thought you guys know where the thing is. Let's just go without them. We can't get in.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a little puzzle. Follow the little arrows and they'll give you like little things. You have to put it in where it goes. We're gonna meet you at the end of the little daycare thing.
That we all locked out because I saw the boss.
Let's do the boss. Let's do 5 attempts. If we can't beat the
You
boss.
have to stay on the roof, okay?
Yeah, I know the way because someone said go keep going straight, and then right here when it gets light, in the corner over here. Nah, what the hell is that? Over
That's
here?
the monster.
Come over here where I am.
Wait,
Come back. Come back.
Ryan,
Come
Ryan.
back.
Over here. Where are you going?
I'm here.
Right? Go straight.
Wait, where?
What do we do here?
Oh yeah.
Let's touch this. Don't
This
touch
is the boss. This is the boss
Oh,
fight.
whoa. Why is it all
it's
white?
the boss fight. It's the boss fight, bro.
Boss fight? Oh, what the hell is this? Ow! You threw me off the map! What the hell?
I'm dead. I am dead. I'm dead, bro.
Why the hell did you throw me off the map?
I am sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
I'm gonna look for him.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm coming back. Don't worry.
Where's he at? Where's he at? should not hit me off. You hit me off.
I am sorry, I didn't mean to.
Oh, what the hell?
That's not.
I need a taco. What the hell is that supposed to do? That was
What
weird.
the heck?
What, oh, little can of beans. 2 cans of beans.
Where? Ooh, bean. Oh, the ability. The ability. Yes. Okay, let's die and get back to spawn. Wait. Well, I found 2 tacos.
Where's he at?
Oh, which one is that thing? Okay. Just follow
Follow me. Use the fart ability.
I'm coming.
Get it.
Use your fun ability. Oh, just fly.
I died.
Why is it interesting but fun? I did.
I'm gonna kill myself when I die.
Chill.
Oh, what the hell? Did he hit my head or something? Oh, my head's gone. Hey, where's the other guys? Dude, it's just us 3. We're missing 1 person. God, I need you guys to come back.
I died. I died.
What?
Hello?
No.
Oh,
No.
where is my
No.
Hello? Hello, guys.
What the hell? No. There's a bug. I can't see my stuff. I can't see my stuff anymore. There's a bug. No. Well, you back? Green.
Yeah.
Do you Green, do you have grapplers unlocked?
No.
Oh, help me.
Just kill yourself and come back because none of us can really buy anything.
And plus,
the
I don't
orange
know
guy
how
left. The orange guy's not here.
But I died. Wait, are you the one recording?
Yes.
Oh, then we have to go to cave to make this easier for us. Wait, no, I lost my ability though.
Could you buy some stuff, dude? Because I can't buy anything.
Is it just all 3 of us? What do you want me to buy?
Could you buy us a light, a grappler?
Wait, guys, it's just only all 3 of us. I don't have grapplers unlocked.
I don't want anything.
Wait, how about we go mining? Because if we go mining and I get 10 research points, I can buy the grappler.
How much your points do you have?
You'll donate
How
to
much
me.
your points have? The grappler is only 5, not 10.
I know, but I need the hover. I don't have the hover pad unlocked, and the hover pad is 5.
Oh yeah. So wait, how much do you
And I
have?
only have 2.
Oh no, I'm not helping you. You're not gonna be able to get that much in one day. You're only gonna get 6.
7, 6, 7.
Wait, how about we
You
go
guys have
mining for a
anything
few
to sell because I'm broke. I'm the only one here who can buy us everything we need.
I just got company coins.
Oh yeah, I
I
forgot.
need-
That's
I only need, how about we go mining for, company coins?
No,
yes.
I have the fart ability.
What?
Why
How?
don't we do the squid jump rope thing? Because you guys keep seeing jump rope. Why don't we do the jump rope?
Yeah, let's do jump rope. No, I don't like jump rope.
Come on, let's do it.
Okay, take this. Take this. Activate it when after it hits you.
Come on, let's go, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, each of you guys take
But-
take a beans. 6 beans. Take beans.
But I'm gonna grab a
Take
camera.
beans.
I'm gonna
Take
grab
beans.
a camera.
Take beans. Take beans. Eat the bean.
Okay,
Eat the
okay.
beans. Eat the beans. Only one.
Eat,
Eat a bean. Eat a bean. Eat a bean.
eat what?
Eat the bean.
Why?
Just eat it.
Then flap
Whoa.
your arms.
Do this.
Flap your arms.
Come on, guys, go. Right. Go.
But use your God ability to get you focused. You can boost yourself down to Oklahoma.
Oh shoot. Okay, go to Squid Game.
Honestly,
Where do we go, Squid Game? Let's go explore that map. We haven't explored this one yet. Tokens. Oh, I think that's what.
This is gonna take you to jump up. But look, are we going to jump up?
I need someone to. I need some.
to go to jump up.
hello?
Let them go! Let them go! Let them go! No! No! Die! 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 Yes, you die! Die!
Well, you
You can't use your God ability.
Who died? I think I'm gonna do this.
Oh, you are gonna die, bro. You can't die. Push it, bro.
John, go.
Go! Go! Yes! 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 I'm so good! I'm so good!
Oh, wait.
What is that?
This?
Halloween or something?
No,
Oh,
we
I've
lost
seen
our
this
God
before.
ability, bro.
Oh yeah, I think I.
You have beans.
No, I still have them in my stash.
You have coins.
What was it? But this
Oh, I have
is.
coins. I have coins.
I got giant.
Oh, you're big.
I'm a big boy. Your eyes got big. Your eyes got big. I got fire
Nothing
blue.
happened.
I got fire blue.
So how do you do that?
I got low gravity, I think. Huh? Yeah, I got low gravity. You just
Oh, I'm small. That made me
Turn
small.
on green. Here, green. Take my tokens. Don't take them. Those are green. Those are green. Those are greens. Those are greens.
What happened?
Why am I tinier?
Why is nothing happening to me?
How tiny? Oh no.
Oh, I got the ability!
Go giant.
Let's go! I got Oh, I got the ability.
Why are you jumping so high? I can jump high too.
That's how you make it.
Why am I jumping so high?
Guys, ready? You guys,
What the heck happened to your eyes, bro?
you guys want to get more tokens?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Let's go then. Let's go. Let's go. I saw how you. I was taking help out of him.
And someone's just gonna use not my fault.
Someone needs to distract them. Someone needs to distract them.
I know.
He wants me! 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 Go!
Hello?
Get the tokens!
I got two tokens. Hello? He's not,
Hurry up and get the tokens!
he's not here.
You could run him out.
Why is he out with you? Is it an company? What the heck? Bring it, you want to
I want to kill him. Oh, frick
I
this.
got the tokens. I got the tokens.
That barely pushed me off. Back.
Oh, he got me.
All three of us. He got all three of us.
Bro, you got us. Let me do this. Oh, let me get a token. Let me get the tokens. Let's go. Oh my. Get me! Get me! This thing is gone. He wants you, that's why. Why is it getting bigger? Miss Bucko. Come on. What? No, go over there, go over there, go over there, go over there, go over there.
I'm coming to save you, brother. Here, too.
Let's go over there and let's go inside the circus.
I'm back. I'm back.
Yes.
You're
Go to the
recording on
circus.
it. Please answer.
We're here.
Where are you?
We're already entering the circus.
Yes, yeah. Get some tokens.
This is a toxic secret.
Where you at?
The ability is being I can be up.
Hey, yo, come on.
Well, this funny way. This funny way to move.
Where you going? Over here. Where you going? Run, run.
What is it? I'm fighting the game. Dad, I'm fighting the game.
Come on. Oh, hear me? Going too fast. I can't catch up.
Bro, go to the machine thingy. I got died.
Come on, let's go. Where you at? Orange, where are you? Can't get me picked. Oh my god. Oh damn, yeah, I can still one shots you. Where the hell did they go? Oh my god. I don't like playing with people who just leave because they want to. What's up? Bye guys. If you end of today's video, make sure to subscribe button. Do it now so we can hit I should by the end of the year, and then I'll be redoing the facial video because I'm getting older already. I don't know if you guys can tell that. Also, I'll be at a 50 I'll be doing a facial video, and 100 I'll be putting my name. Then I'll be like showing it up, and you guys have to guess. I'll be hearting the comment. I'll be hearting the first person who actually gets it. The first one. Okay. I'm gonna be checking every hour. Not every hour, but probably every day. Hey guys, so everybody do it now so you turn the subs at the end of the year so you guys are actually gonna be really happy. Bye guys.